159 subscribers as I am filming this video. Absolutely insane. Thank you guys for all the support. It's crazy. I never thought that my videos would be just doing as good as they have been. First time I uploaded on this channel and it just went off, I was like, wow, I could really do this. And you guys have really made it happen. Thank you so much. Yeah, amazing. I can finally get back to hopefully daily uploads because I get Thanksgiving break now. Thank goodness, no school for the next week. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. Keep flipping. You guys have a great day.